So I got up this morning and I was thinking about a conversation I was having with my little sister a couple of days ago. And she was telling me about all this stuff that she needed to get before she start putting stuff on her YouTube channel or before she starts a YouTube channel. And it made me think about what took me so long to start putting content on my channel, right? Was I waiting to get all of my stuff together before I actually start putting content on my channel? Did I even have to wait to get everything together before I started putting content on my channel? So it made me think about 3 things you might need before you start your YouTube channel. And these 3 things, they're not definitive, they're not in no particular order. It's just 3 things that I think everybody needs before they start their YouTube channel. And the first thing I think you need before you start your YouTube channel is resources. You already got it on you, your phone. This is the only physical thing that you need to start your YouTube channel. You can do audio, video, still images, everything right here on your phone. It's got video editing software too. You can edit right from your phone. Besides this, you don't need nothing else physical to start your YouTube channel. It's all you need right here. And everybody got it in their pocket. Before I get in the second thing I think you need before you start your YouTube channel, gotta be honest with you, I ain't really think this shit through before I started recording today. And now I'm starving. So I need to go get something to eat. Y'all wanna go take that ride? Just to get something to eat, I'm just playing. Come on, let's go.
And if you're lighting up my way, I'll be yours till break of day. I don't wanna close my eyes, gonna be a short baby, don't you waste me. It's gonna be a short
My bad, y'all. I ain't playing for that shit. And I was starving, so just know in the future, whenever I'm hungry, y'all coming with me. So just be prepared. When I say I'm gonna take that ride, you already know. And my watch stopped on me, which I should just go and get a new battery. But it is an older watch. And that brings me to my second point. The second thing you need to start your YouTube channel is time. I heard somebody on YouTube, I don't remember who said it, but it was like bars, right? It was like you have the same 24 hours in a day as everybody else. So what's your excuse for not doing what you want to do? I said, man, this boy's spitting. And it kind of hit me. I was like, it makes sense. So you can waste time waiting to start your YouTube channel, or in my case, getting my battery changed in my watch, or take the time you do have to start something new. That makes sense? Good. Let's talk about the third and final thing you need to start your YouTube channel. Now, the third and final thing I think you need before you start your YouTube channel is confidence. So you might be like, what you mean by confidence? Let me show you what I mean by confidence. For instance, today is Saturday, right? It's a busy Saturday. That's a food court. Probably one of the busiest places to even do a vlog right now. So, how much confidence you really need to vlog in a public food court for a YouTube channel, right? But here's the thing. If you don't have confidence, you're not ready to start a YouTube channel. The most that's gonna happen, people gonna stare at you. They're gonna stare at you no matter what. The thing is, they can't do you nothing. Nobody can do you anything for vlogging in a public place. You might have some people that even won't get in your video. Let them get in your video. Who cares? Just vlog, have the confidence, walk through the mall, do your video, and then carry on with the rest of your day. Because without confidence, you have no YouTube channel. You sit in front of your phone all day, on Instagram, social media, but as soon as a real camera get in your face, you're scared. That shit never made sense to me. You absolutely need confidence. You know how much confidence it takes to walk through a busy mall to film a YouTube video? Once you leave out of here, nobody knows who you are. Nobody even cares. You upload it, people will never see you again. The thing is, you get the footage you need, and you get that footage because you have enough confidence to be in front of a camera and do what you need to do, say what you need to say, and then start your YouTube. People see you walking through the mall holding a big camera and a switch pod. They think you're a superstar, which clearly I am, because I'm holding a camera and a switch pod. I just had a girl ask me, "Hey, you filming a YouTube video?" I'm like, "Yeah." These people not gonna see you again. Nobody really cares about what you're doing. They're gonna look, and they might want to get in the video. Let them get in the video. Who cares? It's still about having confidence. You just gotta do it. Stop stalling. Walk in the mall with your camera, and then you just press record. So that's it for the video today. Let me know what you think. Thank you, baby. Hit the like button. Share it with your friends for a second opinion. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down button twice. I'm out.